Hello and welcome to another travel adventure with Sam, and today I'm on Route 66. I'm between Helendale and Oro Grande, and I've stopped at a famous and iconic place called Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch. And this is one of the most iconic stops along Route 66. Unfortunately, Elmer has passed away, but they keep this place open for tourists like myself to come and enjoy the creativity and eccentricity, I guess, of Elmer. He made a beautiful display here. It's called Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch, and I'm going to take you through it right now. So here's the entranceway. The gates are open and it says, "Welcome, come on in." I don't think you have to pay. No one's here to collect any money, and there's no box to place a donation or anything like that. So, yeah. Look at this. Pretty cool. There's just bottles placed everywhere. Oh, there you are. Welcome to Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch. If you enjoyed your visit, please consider donating. Even the smallest amount goes a long way towards preserving the past and preparing for the future. So I'm guessing I scan that and I'll make a little donation, which will be great because then they can keep something like this alive. Oh, so Victorville is that way. I'm going to Victorville next, and it's telling me it's got to go. I was going in that direction. I've got to go that way now. So I've got to. I actually thought I was still heading that way, but Victorville is the opposite direction. So I'm going to have to turn around and when I finish here and go to Victorville. I cannot believe this. So basically, he's just got all these metal poles, and he's placed bottles on them. You think, oh, that's a gun that he's done one. Okay, he's got jerry cans up there as well. This video is going to have no rhyme nor reason because you just wander through the tree forest, and that's what I'm doing, just to show you some of the stuff that he's done here. Look, it must have taken him, oh, there's a bottle of Corona. Must have taken him ages to do this. Look at it. Look at that. That's so cool. Old cash registers as well. I'm sure there is a way of walking through here that's got a bit more, makes a bit more sense, but I'm just walking around aimlessly and just taking it all in. Holy golly, golly, golly. It goes all the way back there too. Anything that you could put a bottle on, he's put a bottle in. Look at that. You can't walk into this section here, I don't think, but we'll have a quick look. It looks like they've got a drinks machine here. I'm not sure if it works on. Probably does. It's got a lot of old cash registers. Here's an old oven, wood-fired oven there from the old days. Hey, if you feel like exercising, he's got a couple of exercise bikes here too. An old petrol Bowser there. Wow. If you get a little bit tired, you can sit on this sofa, I guess. He's got a cement mixer there. There's no one here. It's just me, and it feels a bit eerie, to be honest, because I'm here on my own. Look at this. This looks like some kind of office setup. See if I can move this. Oh, he's got a chair there. I've always wanted to come here. I've done so much research on Route 66 and all the iconic places to stop at. And one of the places I've really wanted to stop at is Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch. And here I am. Oh, here's a place for donations. Okay, I'll put a... Now apparently, I don't know too much about American coinage, but I think they're 25-cent pieces. So there's 50. Yeah, there's a bit of coinage in there. Whoop. There you go. I'll put 50 cents in there, but I'll scan the QR code later and give them a bit more money, because I think this is something that's worthwhile keeping up and running for everyone to come and enjoy. A lot of work has been put into this. A lot of work. It's just so quirky. A bottle tree ranch. You know, it's just quirky. It's something that you'd see probably only on Route 66, I would imagine. Wow. As I said, this video is, you know, I'm just walking aimlessly around. I'm not sure if there is a right way or a wrong way to see it. What's this? Is it an outhouse? Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness, that's an outhouse. Not sure if I'd use that, but anyway. Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch. It's right in between Helendale and Oro Grande in California on Route 66. There's another petrol bowser there. Gumball machine. Old register, cash register. Yeah, here's a Willys. Jeep. Wow. I don't know if I've ever seen a Willys Jeep in real life. I have now. It's not in the best condition, but it's a Willys Jeep. Wow, pretty cool. A couple more registers here, cash registers. An old car door. Stop lights up there. Oh, all the motorbikes are going by. A lot of people do Route 66 on a motorbike. Very popular. Harley Davidson or an Indian or an Enfield or anything like that, if they're still around. But yeah, doing Route 66 on a motorbike is very popular. I'm just in a car, a regular car. A lot of people like doing it in older cars like Corvettes and Mustangs. Not even the newer ones, but the older ones, for that nostalgic feel. I'm just doing it in a Nissan Kicks, which is a fairly new car and quite comfortable. Although it drinks a bit of petrol. But there you have it. I mean, if you want to drive the car, you've got to put petrol in it, I guess. Well, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch on Route 66 in California. I hope you enjoyed this little video from Travel Adventures with Sam. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please feel free to share. And please subscribe to my channel. It's free to do and it helps my channel to grow. So until next time, happy travels.